beginning to look a lot like Christmas at Sherie-E-Punjab, and my wife and I had the pleasure of going there for a wonderful dinner over our weekend to witness all the beautiful decorations. The cocktails, you can't go there and not order them. From the mango martini to the Christmas martini, and this only adds to the experience. Make sure you get the chicken wings. They come out steaming on the skillet. The whole experience is one that you won't regret. Order the garlic naan, which she made sure she got the chicken sag and not always have to go with the lamb rogan josh. And of course my wife had to make sure she got dessert. We always manage to have a good time in media, so if you're ever in the media area or stop by this place, make sure you tell them that I sent you.